Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you're fine. We are going now to provide you with a worksheet solution video of the worksheet that we've already discussed together in the live session in order for you to study it and watch it for tomorrow's exam. Okay, let's start. Apply the conjugation rule with the verb أود. What do you mean by أود? I would like to. Okay, and I would like to is in the present form. Okay, I would like to in the present form. So أنا أود. Okay, أنا أود. أنا أود. Because in the present form we add at the beginning. نحن instead of we put نود. In second point of view, أنت, which is you for masculine, أنت, which is you for feminine, أنتم, which is you for 3 or more masculine or 3 or more feminine and masculine. These are أنتم. We start with ta. So أنت تود. أنت تود because it's a masculine. أنت تودين. Okay? What do we do? The same, but we add ya and na at the end. Okay? Now, أنتم تودون. What do we add instead of ya and na? Wa and na. Now, if you are in the third point of view, we add ya at the beginning except for what? Except for here. Except for here, because here it's a feminine, we should start with ta. Except for here. So huwa yawaddu. We start with ya. So this is how do we apply the conjugation rule for the verb awaddu, which is a present tense verb actually, okay? Now let's go to the second question. Second question is what? Fill in the blanks with the suitable form of adjective, okay? Column is a tall man. Tall means what? Tawil. This is the basic adjective. Actually, we are going to form the superlative or comparative form of adjectives. So tawil, man is rajul. Alexander min column. Min column. Min. This is an indication that we have a comparative form here, which is then, okay? Now, Alexander min. Let's go to the basic form, which is C1A, C2 consonant I, C3, okay? What's the first consonant in tawil? It's ta. Second consonant, wa, okay? Third consonant is I. The I, guys, goes for ya, okay? O goes for what? Wa. AA goes for what? But the and wa and the ya, in order for me to call them long sound, they have to form with the consonant a long sound, okay? So this is wa is a consonant here. Why this wa is not a vowel here? Why it's not considered a vowel like this? Because wa is not making with the letter before it a long sound. The ya is making a long sound, okay? Ta, wheel, third consonant is la. Let's make the comparative form. A, C1, C2, CA, C3, okay? What is A? Always A is the letter A here at the beginning. C1 is what? Ta. C2 is wa. I'm choosing the consonants. At. So this is C2 and 1A. 2 A's is what? 1A is fatha, okay? 1I is damma, okay? Sorry, one I is kasra, and 1O is what? Is 1A is fatha, 1I is kasra, and 1O is damma. Here we have A, so at wal. 3 is what? La. Because ya is a vowel, we don't consider it as a consonant. Atwal. So Alexander atwal min column. This is the comparative form, okay? The comparative form, which is atwal. Okay? Ali al-rajul. Ali al-rajul. Now this is the superlative form. After the comparative form, I'm going to form the superlative form from the comparative form. Okay? So Ali al-rajul. Al-rajul is what? What does it mean? A man. So here we started with what? With a noun. If I start with a noun, okay, Ali al-rajul, and then I have to put the adjective, then the superlative form is equal to L plus comparative form. What is the comparative form? We said in the previous question, it's أطول. Okay? Now, what do I add to it at the beginning? A and la, الأطول. الأطول. Okay? So if I start with a noun and then an adjective, I make the superlative form is equal to L plus comparative form, okay? But if I start with the adjective, if I have to fill in the blanks with the adjective and then the noun, I have to know that the superlative form is as if it is as the comparative form. So here, I'm starting with what? With the adjective, because after it there is رجل, which is the noun here. Of course, I'm looking for the noun that is modifying the adjective, okay? Ali أطول. This is very easy. Question number 3. Put one line under the, or underline once the short sound and twice the long sounds. Short sounds, the sounds are فتحة, ضمة, كسرة, and what? سكون, okay? Long sounds, letters that make a long sound with the letter before it is a, wa, and ya. Yell. These are the sounds, okay? These are the sounds, الحركات. They make with a letter, a specific letter, all of it a short sound. Let's look here. Here we have sa, we have we have ta, we have ti, we have meh. I'm searching for the sounds, okay? This all of it. This all. This is here. This is all of it. This is here. What are the long sounds? For example, ma, I attach to it a. Ma, ma, I attach to it wa. Mu, ma, I attach to it ya. Mi. Okay, here we have susu, 2 lines. Here we have ma. Here we have ma, also 2 lines. Here we have sa. Here we have ladi. Okay. Now, underline the words that contain tanween in the following sentences, then specify the type of tanween by putting it in the suitable column on the table, okay? We said we have 3 types of tanween. Tanween al-dam, this is tanween al-dam, okay? Tanween al-fatah, 2. Tanween al-kasr, below the letter. So it's tanween al-kasr below the letter. Tanween al-fatah, above the letter. Tanween al-dam, it's above the letter. This is made of 2 dammas, this is made of 2 fathas, and this is made of 2 kasras. Let us see the words that contain tanween. تلقيت عرضا مذهلا للسفر إلى الخارج. Oh, this is a word that contains tanween. This is a word that contains tanween. What do they have? 2 fathas above the letter. Then this is tanween al-fatah, okay? عرضا مذهلا. Here, tanween al-fatah, okay? Here, هذا حصان جميل يعيش في مزرعة جميلة. Oh, this is tanween and this is tanween. What do we call it here? This, they contain tanween. تنوين الضم. حصان جميل. Okay. تنوين الكسر. Here we have مزرعة جميلة. مزرعة جميلة. Okay. We have here قدم لي صديقي هدية. This is تنوين الفتح. Let's go now to this question. Please pay attention to this question. It's very, very important. You may find it tomorrow in the online quiz that you have to choose several choices, check boxes. What's this? This is a meat. But what type of meat this? If we say meat, it's lahm, okay? If we say grilled meat, لحم مشوي. Grilled meat is لحم مشوي. Here, let's assume you want to buy an item. You want to buy this lahm. What do you say? I want 3 kilos, for example, or 3 kilograms of grilled meat or of meat. I want is what? أريد 3 كيلو لحم. Okay, so أريد 3 كيلو لحم. Okay. This is when you are buying an item, but it's better to add to it please. Please, it means لو سمحت. Please means لو سمحت, okay? Now, grilled meat means لحم مشوي. If I say to you, I want grilled meat, you shouldn't choose the choice أريد لحم. It's أريد لحم مشوي. Now, what do we mean by chickpeas? It's hummus, okay? Okay, now here you are ordering an item. Whenever you order an item, you have to start with the please. What does please mean? لو سمحت, because in order to show request, politeness. لو سمحت, which is as من فضلك the same. لو سمحت, I want. You should here use I want after it a noun. Okay, or I want after it what? A verb. You should write the two choices. لو سمحت, I want, what does it mean? أريد. Here you're not buying. So if you're not buying, you don't mention the kilos. أريد what? حمص with the chickpeas. حمص. Okay. أريد حمص. Clear, guys? أريد حمص. This is I want plus a noun. If you want to make it plus a verb, I want to eat chickpeas. أريد, what do to is an. آكل حمص. Now, you can use instead of I want to say I would like to. Okay? But after I would like to, you cannot use a noun. After I would like to, you cannot use a noun. You have to use a verb. So want can be followed by a noun and a verb. I would like to, only it can be followed by a verb. I would like to, what does it mean? أود. In the present, of course. أود, I would like to eat. أود أن آكل الحمص. I cannot say أود حمص. I would like chickpeas. It's wrong. Okay. If you find it in the choices, you should not choose this choice. So أود أن آكل الحمص. Now practice reading the following words and sentences. This will be discussed also in lecture number 2 live session. خس is lettuce. Batatas is potato. Okay. Nana is mint. بقدونس is parsley. جزر is carrot. Okay. سآخذ. This سآخذ means I'll take. And if you are ordering, don't only say I want to or I would like to. Say سآخذ. After سآخذ, we use a noun also. I'll take carrot. سآخذ جزر. Okay? This sentence, أريد 2 كيلو من أفضل التفاح عندك.